liked someone and wanted them to notice you, but you didn't know what to do?
Yeah, like you see her, your heart starts beating fast, and you just freeze?
Exactly. You want to talk to her, you want to impress her, but your mind goes blank.
And then later you think, why didn't I just say something? Why didn't I do something?
Well, today we're going to help you with that. And trust me, it's simpler than you think. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast.
We're from Speak It Well English, and we're really happy you're here today.
I'm Maya, and this is my friend.
I'm Ryan, and today we're talking about something a lot of people ask about.
Yeah, especially guys. They always ask, how do I impress a girl?
And you know what? It's not about being rich or super handsome or anything like that.
Nope. It's about being genuine, being confident, and showing respect.
Exactly. So let's dive into it.
Ryan, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to impress someone and it went wrong?
Oh man, yes. I have a really embarrassing story.
Ooh, tell us.
Okay, so I was in college and I liked this girl in my class. She was smart, funny, really nice.
And what did you do?
Well, I wanted to impress her, right? So I thought, I'll show her I'm cool. I'll show her I'm confident.
Okay.
So one day, I wore these really fancy clothes, put on too much cologne, and walked up to her like I was in a movie.
Oh no.
Yeah, and I said in this super deep voice, "Hey, you look nice today."
What happened?
She looked at me confused and said, "Are you okay? You sound weird."
Oh no, that's so awkward.
I know, I was trying too hard. I wasn't being myself.
And that's the biggest mistake people make. They try to be someone they're not.
Exactly. So let me ask you, our listeners, have you ever tried to impress someone and felt nervous or awkward?
If yes, don't worry, we've all been there. And today, we'll help you understand what really works. All right, let's talk about the first thing, the most important thing.
What is it?
Be yourself. Be genuine.
I know everyone says this, but what does it actually mean?
It means don't pretend to be someone you're not, don't act like you're in a movie, don't use fake confidence.
Right, because girls can tell when you're being fake.
Exactly. Girls are really good at reading people. They can feel when someone is honest and when someone is pretending.
So what should you do instead?
Just be the best version of yourself. If you're funny, be funny. If you're quiet, be quiet. Don't change who you are.
I like that. Be the best version of yourself, not someone else.
Yes. Think of it like this. If you wear shoes that don't fit, you'll feel uncomfortable all day, right?
Yeah, your feet will hurt.
Same thing with personality. If you pretend to be someone else, you'll feel uncomfortable, and she'll notice.
That makes so much sense.
So, step one, be genuine. Be real. Be you.
Okay, what's step 2?
Step two, show genuine interest in her.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, ask her questions, listen to her, care about what she says.
Oh, like actually listening, not just waiting for your turn to talk.
Exactly. A lot of guys make this mistake. They talk about themselves the whole time.
I did this, I did that, I'm so cool.
Yeah, and the girl is just sitting there bored thinking, does he even care about me?
So what should you do?
Ask her about her interests. What do you like to do? What kind of music do you listen to? What makes you happy?
And really listen to her answers.
Yes. Look at her when she talks. Smile, nod, show that you care.
That sounds so simple.
It is simple, but many people forget to do it.
Why?
Because they're too nervous. They're thinking about what to say next instead of listening.
Ah, that's true.
So here's a tip. When she's talking, don't think about your next sentence. Just listen. Really listen.
And then the conversation will flow naturally.
Exactly. It's like a dance. You can't plan every step. You just move with the music.
I love that metaphor.
All right, step 3 is really important too.
What is it?
Respect her boundaries.
Boundaries.
Yeah, her personal space, her comfort, her feelings.
Can you explain more?
Sure. For example, if she seems uncomfortable, don't push. If she's busy, don't force her to talk.
Oh, like reading the room.
Exactly. Pay attention to her body language. If she's smiling and leaning in, that's good. If she's stepping back or looking away, give her space.
That's really important.
Yes. And also, don't text her 20 times a day. Don't call her constantly. Don't be too much.
Give her space to breathe.
Exactly. Think of it like a plant. If you water it too much, it dies. If you water it just right, it grows.
Wow, that's a great comparison.
Right? So respect her time, her space, her feelings. That shows maturity.
And girls really appreciate that.
Absolutely. No one likes someone who's too pushy or clingy.
Okay, what about step 4?
Step 4. Take care of yourself.
Like hygiene and stuff?
Yes, but it's more than that. It's about self-respect.
Okay, tell me more.
So first, basic things. Shower regularly, wear clean clothes, brush your teeth, comb your hair.
That should be obvious, but some people forget.
I know, and it makes a huge difference. You don't need expensive clothes. Just be clean and neat.
Right. Simple and clean is better than fancy and dirty.
Exactly. And also, take care of your health. Exercise a little, eat well, sleep enough.
Why is that important for impressing someone?
Because when you take care of yourself, you feel better. You have more energy, you smile more.
And that confidence shows.
Yes, it's not about having muscles or being super fit. It's about respecting yourself.
And when you respect yourself, others respect you too.
Exactly. It's like if you don't take care of your phone, it gets dirty and slow, right?
Yeah.
Same with yourself. Take care of you and you'll feel better, and that will naturally attract people.
I really like that.
All right, and the last step, step 5,
What is it?
make her laugh, but don't try too hard.
Ah, humor.
Yes, girls love guys who can make them laugh, but here's the thing.
What?
Don't force it. Don't tell jokes every 2 seconds. Don't try to be a comedian.
Just be naturally funny?
Exactly. Be playful, be light. Don't take everything so seriously.
Can you give an example?
Sure, like if you spill something, don't get embarrassed and weird. Just laugh and say, well, that happened.
Oh, so you're relaxed and can laugh at yourself.
Yes, that's really attractive. It shows confidence and humility.
I see. So humor is good, but it should be natural, not forced.
Exactly. And also, don't make fun of her. Don't use mean jokes.
Right. There's a difference between playful teasing and being mean.
Yes, playful is okay. Mean is not.
How can you tell the difference?
Ask yourself, would this make her smile or make her feel bad?
If it makes her feel bad, don't say it.
Exactly. Be kind, be fun, be light. That's the key.
All right, let's do a quick recap of what we learned today.
Yes, so first, be yourself. Be genuine. Don't pretend to be someone you're not.
Second, show genuine interest in her. Ask her questions, listen to her, care about what she says.
Third, respect her boundaries. Give her space. Don't be too pushy or clingy.
Fourth, take care of yourself. Be clean, be healthy, respect yourself.
And fifth, make her laugh, but don't try too hard. Be naturally playful and fun.
These 5 steps will really help you make a good impression.
Not just with girls, but with anyone. These are good life skills.
Now, we have a challenge for you.
Yes, your action challenge for today.
Think about one thing you can improve about yourself. Just one thing.
Maybe it's listening better. Maybe it's being more genuine. Maybe it's taking better care of yourself.
Pick one thing and work on it this week.
You don't have to be perfect. Just take one small step.
And if you want, leave a comment below and tell us what you're working on.
We'd love to hear from you, and maybe we can help.
Remember, impressing someone isn't about tricks or games.
It's about being a good person, being kind, being real. All right, everyone, that's all for today's episode.
Thank you so much for being here with us.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon. Your support really motivates us to create more helpful content for you.
And remember, the right person will like you for who you are.
You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be you.
Be confident, be kind, and be genuine.
The rest will follow naturally.
We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.
Take care and be awesome.
Bye, everyone.